Memory hierarchy in operating systems. Memory in a computer system is organized into a hierarchy based on speed, cost, and storage capacity. Main memory, RAM. It is a temporary storage, used to store data and programs, currently in use. It is a volatile memory. Data is lost when power is off. It acts as a bridge between the CPU and secondary storage. Secondary memory. It is a long-term storage for data and programs. It is non-volatile memory. Data remains even when power is off. It stores operating systems, applications, and user files. Cache memory. It is a high-speed memory located close to the CPU to store frequently accessed data. It reduces CPU waiting time by quickly providing required data. It is usually integrated within the CPU chip. Overview of different memory types and their characteristics.